In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Photoshop's ruler tool and why it might be more useful than people think. In today's Photoshop tutorial, we're taking a closer look at a feature that a lot of people casually dismiss as worthless: the ruler tool. Now, to be fair, it's not a tool that most Photoshop users rely on every day. In many workflows, people tend to reach for guides, grids, or other alignment tools first, but that doesn't mean the ruler tool has no value. In the right situation, it can actually be very helpful and save you time. To find it, head over to the toolbar and click and hold on the eyedropper tool. This opens the flyout menu where Photoshop keeps a few related tools grouped together. From there, choose the ruler tool. Once it's active, using it is very simple. All you need to do is click and drag across your image. As you drag from one point to another, Photoshop measures the distance between those points and also shows you the angle. You'll see that information appear in the options bar at the top, which makes it easy to read and use while you work. This can be useful when you want to check spacing, confirm alignment, or figure out whether an object in your image is tilted. One of the most practical features tied to the ruler tool is the straighten layer option. This is especially useful if you have a photo that looks slightly crooked. To use it, draw a line along an edge in the image that should be perfectly horizontal or vertical, like a horizon line, a tabletop, or the side of a building. After that, click Straighten Layer, and Photoshop will automatically rotate the layer to correct the tilt. It's a fast and convenient way to clean up an image without having to manually guess the right angle. Even though the ruler tool isn't the most popular feature in Photoshop, it still has a place. For most projects, you may still prefer guides, grids, or other alignment methods. But when you need a quick measurement or a simple way to straighten a crooked image, this tool can absolutely come in handy. So while it may not be a star of the Photoshop toolbar, it's definitely not useless. Knowing when to use the ruler tool can make certain editing tasks easier, more accurate, and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring Photoshop's hidden tools. Sometimes the features people overlook turn out to be exactly what you need.